Hello, how you doing? Sorry, you're watching yourself or your own face on 4 different places at the moment. So this video is for me. I know I have a few people following me and I thank you for that very much, but I have found that I use this software, YouTube, so much for my own notes that I actually just gotta start talking to myself to help me remember what I'm supposed to do in different situations. And there's a lot of tech going on, so it's always hard to catch up, and I find myself going back to my own videos for reference. So basically what you were doing today or over the weekend was using Claude. Well, you were using Claude Anthropic tools, but you needed to test out Moondream 2. While testing Moondream 2, which is supposed to have better OCR than what it had previously, which is object character recognition, you found that it wasn't good enough for what you wanted. Okay, you know, and you can't say what it is, but yeah, it wasn't good enough. Either way, when you went to try and test out it, you went back to your own previous project, which is Moondream 1, and in Moondream 1 you had that you have another video on YouTube where you had like 20 different images, and Moondream would play a game with you where it would just randomly choose an image, describe it, and then you'd have to click on the image that it was describing, and if you got it right then you got a point, and if you didn't, whatever. Anyway, when you tried to run this, it was running really slowly like you see here. So it describes it in one, describes what it's seeing. So it's seeing me, and let's see what we have here. So what is going on, and it's not going to be stuck to one sentence. Okay, a man wearing headphones sits in front of a laptop. Okay, well, that's not true. Let's have a better one. Okay, it's going to be slow, but this is why you got annoyed, because in Moondream 1 you had set it up with the GPU. The image features a man wearing headphones sitting in a room with a laptop computer placed on a table in front of him. The man appears to be focused on the laptop screen, possibly working on it and browsing. Okay, wow, okay, so every time there's the screen is getting larger because of the text on the screen. Oh, okay. Okay, well that's interesting. Okay, so, okay. That was, this is the second time you made this video because you started rambling on about a bunch of things, and it has nothing got to do with the alcohol. It's just your normal way of doing things. So, okay, right, moving on. You wanted this to work faster than what it is currently, so you did that by, first of all, copying this code over and replacing this code here. But once you did that, it was actually stuck in GPU mode and you couldn't get it back into CPU mode. You couldn't select the camera you wanted anymore because you were using Microsoft Edge, and Microsoft Edge wouldn't allow you to forget what you had previously set it up with, and you needed to have OBS Studio as well as IVCam working. So to get this working, you disallowed this, you cancelled this over here, and this is like kind of obvious really in hindsight, but when you were trying to figure out something after a long day of minding the kids, you couldn't figure it out. So right now you need to put it into CPU mode to be able to get it to go so slowly, but otherwise you can just like end it and then just start up like this, and once that starts, getting it into GPU mode might have just been about going hyphen GPU, but no, not for you, it probably wouldn't have. So there we go. Now we're in GPU mode, and we can probably get rid of this part, and there we go. It's not zooming in, it's enlarging. Or is it zooming in? It's zooming in. It's so bizarre. Okay, well that would get annoying. So respond in a single sentence in 2 simple sentences. Okay, cool. Anywho, yeah, so copied this code across and then commented it out afterwards because it's unnecessary anymore. But when you did do this, you had to change this D type and this device type to the capital device type and D type in here, and you can see that on the screen. Yep. You're also listening to Stargazer, a song that you made on Suno version 3. So maybe when you come back to this, they'll be on version 4, but either way, it's pretty damn cool. It kind of has the style of Never-Ending Story, but in space. And they actually brought on a instrumental mode, which is what you actually really like. So good job, Suno. I definitely have to subscribe to them. What else have we done this weekend? We worked on OCR, we worked on using Claude functions, and we love Claude function tools. We want to merge Claude function tools with Crew AI and see if we can use an agent in there that is just purely Claude function tools. Okay, and you repeated that a lot. Anywho, that's you this weekend, and you're going to keep on making your own videos and store up a large wealth of knowledge. Now you're going to have to think about a bloody name for this, and I think it's Moondream 2 better, not great. It's awesome though, don't get me wrong, it's not great for my goal, but if you're looking at describing images, it's fantastic. It's like, let's see, get that to look like a lamp, see? It's just too fast. So I'd have to hook that up to like, I'd have to slow that down or introduce a delay. So, computer monitor, it's just, plant, kitchen, so it's so bloody good. Played rope, they got it right. Oh, this is fun. Okay, well, you're just going to take a brief walk outside. You won't see the results yourself. Music is playing, so then you're going to end the stream. Okay? Cool. Should try and figure out a way to get the audio passed through from here simultaneously. Okay, that's you. You made your video for today, and you got your notes. Remember to put your GitHub link in there, but you don't even really need it. You just need to go to Moondream, and then go back to your own Moondream script, which you've already stored on your own GitHub, and all the information is in there to copy across this simple line of text here to get it all running on your GPU. Or you just go hyphen GPU, which probably worked in the first place. And also use Mozilla or probably Chrome instead of Edge for this particular case where you want to forget your camera settings. Okay, well, stop staying up so late. See you later on. Thanks for subscribers, hope you understand.